Imagine a brain the size of a pinhead that can control everything from walking to flying, even singing love songs. Now, for the first time in history, scientists have mapped out every single connection in a fly's brain, a discovery that could unlock the mysteries of our own minds. This is a groundbreaking step in neuroscience, and in today's video, we'll explore how a tiny insect could hold the key to understanding how we think, feel, and interact. Get ready to dive deep into one of the most complex puzzles in science, the human brain. The fruit fly might seem like an ordinary insect, but its brain is anything but. With over 130,000 neurons and 50 million connections, this tiny brain is now the most detailed map ever created of an adult animal's brain. Why does this matter? Because understanding how the fly brain works brings us one step closer to decoding the mysteries of our own much larger and more complex minds. In this video, we'll explore what makes this research a huge leap in neuroscience and how it could eventually transform our understanding of the human brain. Scientists have long been fascinated by the fruit fly due to its small but mighty brain. To create this map, researchers used a technique that involved slicing the fly brain into 7,000 incredibly thin pieces, like a microscopic cheese grater, and then photographing each slice. These images were stitched together using advanced AI, but even with AI, scientists had to correct over 3 million errors by hand. The result? A complete connectome, a wiring diagram of the fly brain's 130,000 neurons and 50 million connections. Why should we care about a fly's brain? While the human brain has millions more neurons than a fly, the basic principles of how neurons connect and transmit information are strikingly similar. This wiring map allows scientists to understand the layout of circuits that control vision, movement, and even learning. These same circuits exist in our own brains, just on a much larger scale. By understanding the fly's brain, we gain insights into how our neurons interact, and in the future, how diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's disrupt these networks. Creating a connectome of this complexity is no easy task. The process took years of collaboration between leading universities and labs. The AI used to reconstruct the neuron shapes and their connections was groundbreaking, but far from perfect. Researchers had to manually check every neuron and connection, correcting millions of mistakes along the way. This technical feat opens the door for future studies on more complex brains, like mice and eventually humans. The fly brain connectome is just the beginning. While it may take decades to map out a human brain, this achievement sets the stage for what's to come. Scientists predict that within the next 30 years, we could have a full map of the human brain's wiring. This could revolutionize how we treat mental health disorders, neurological diseases, and even improve brain-machine interfaces. So, how can this research benefit us? By understanding the fly brain circuits, scientists are already making advances in technology. From AI systems that mimic how the brain processes visual information, to better treatments for neurodegenerative diseases, this research is paving the way for practical applications. In fact, some researchers are using this fly brain map to study why flies are so difficult to swat, showing just how precise and efficient these neural circuits are. While we may be a long way from mapping our own minds, this breakthrough with the fly brain is a monumental step forward. It's a glimpse into the incredible complexity of neural networks, offering us new ways to think about how our own brains function. In the coming years, this research could lead to a deeper understanding of cognition, memory, and even consciousness. The future of neuroscience is here, and it all starts with the brain of a tiny fly. If you enjoy what you see and want to support our journey, subscribing is the best way to stay connected. With just one click on that subscribe button, you'll unlock a world of fresh ideas and inspiration. Plus, hitting that notification bell ensures you never miss an update.